Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that many of us have faced or might face in the future, job loss. Whether you recently been laid off or just starting your career and try to find your footing, this video is for you. I'll share the practical tips and strategies to navigate your job search process after a layoff and share advice for those who's entering the job market for the first time. Let's dive in. Before we jump in, please give this video a like, it's really helped to support the channel and makes it easier for others to find this content. Alright, let's get started! Let's start with those of you who have recently faced a layoff. I know how tough it can be emotionally, financially and professionally. You might feel lost, but trust me, it's not the end. Here is how you can regain control of your career journey. First, take time to process what happened. It's okay to feel a range of emotion, shock, frustration, even fear. Give yourself permission to feel those things, but don't let them consume you. Recognize that it's okay to take a breath before jumping back into job hunt. Once you're ready, start by maintaining a sense of routine. It might sound simple, but keeping morning walks, gym visits, or even set time for coffee might give you a sense of normality. This structure could be a lifeline during the uncertain times. Next, organize your job search. I recommend creating a tracker using a Google Sheets. Track things like role title, compensation, status of your application, interview notes, and the dates of your interview. It helps you to stay on top of where you apply and be more prepared for next interview. After all, finding a new job is now your full-time job, but I recommend keeping the weekends for yourself to relax and gain energy for a work week. One of the most effective ways to find a new job is networking. Reach out to former colleagues, join relevant Slack channels, or participate in online communities like LinkedIn. You'll be surprised how many people want to help, whether it's sharing a job leads, making introductions, or just offering some words of encouragement. But don't just rely on generic messages. Network with intention. Reach out to people who are working in roles you're interested in and ask for informational interviews. Keep it brief and conversational. You'll be amazed at how much insight you can gain and how many people might advocate for you. If there's one silver lining to a layoff, it's time to learn, to grow and to pivot. Use this period to upskill. Whether it's taking a course on new technology, improving your soft skills or diving into online resources like LinkedIn, Coursera, this is your chance to make yourself more competitive in the job market. Focus on areas that align with the direction you want your career to take. Maybe it's time to shift industries or roles. Remember, this could be your chance to explore something you've always been passionate about, but never had time for. It's crucial to stay positive and focus on the things you can control, like your attitude and your efforts. Yes, the job market can be tough, but a positive mindset can be your biggest asset. Focus on crafting intentional cover letters, applying for roles that truly excite you, and taking care of your mental health. Embrace this reset as an opportunity for something better. Now, for those of you who are just starting your job search, maybe fresh out of college or just looking to switch careers, welcome! Let's talk about how to stand out in a crowded job market. Think of your job search as prospecting. Your goal is to land meetings and build the pipelines just like a salesperson. This means reaching out to potential employers, not just sending out applications and waiting for a reply. Cold outreach is a key. Don't be afraid to send a direct message to a hiring manager or a VP in department you want to join. Use the job description to craft your message, show them how your skill align with their needs, and don't just rely on one platform. Use LinkedIn, email, even text if appropriate. Focus on building relationships within the companies you're interested in. Find people in roles similar to the one you're targeting and ask them about their experience. Many times these individuals can become your champions and even recommend you to hiring managers. Curiosity is your best friend during the job hunt. Ask questions during the interview, don't just focus on selling yourself. Make sure that company best fit for you too. And remember, the interview process is two-way street. Treat the interview process like a conversation. You're there to evaluate them just as much as they evaluating you. Stay curious, don't be afraid to ask about things like work-life balance, company values, and growth opportunities. Whether you're bouncing back from a layoff or stepping into the job market for the first time, remember the journey might be tough, but it's not impossible. Focus on what you can control, keep learning, and never lose sight of your goals. This time could be the start of something amazing. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good luck on your job search journey.